Hello and welcome to this beginner's tutorial on Google Cloud BigQuery. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of Cloud BigQuery and showing you how to get started with analyzing data using SQL-like queries. Google Cloud BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that allows you to store, query, and analyze massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently. It's designed for businesses that need to process large amounts of data and provides a range of features to help you manage your data more easily. To get started with BigQuery, you'll first need to create a Google Cloud account if you don't already have one. Once you've created your account, you can create a new BigQuery project and start uploading your data. In this tutorial, we'll be using a real-life example of a retail company that wants to analyze its sales data. You can upload data to BigQuery using a variety of methods, including using the web UI, the command line tool, or the BigQuery API. In this example, we'll be using the web UI to upload a sample CSV file containing the retail company's sales data. Once you've uploaded your data, you can start querying it using SQL-like queries. BigQuery provides a range of functions and operators that you can use to analyze your data, including aggregation functions, string functions, and date and time functions. In this example, we'll be writing a query to find the total sales for each product category. In addition to querying your data using SQL, you can also visualize your data using BigQuery's built-in data visualization tools or by exporting your data to other tools such as Google Data Studio. In this example, we'll be using BigQuery's built-in charting tool to create a bar chart showing the total sales for each product category. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to start using Google Cloud BigQuery to analyze your data. Remember, BigQuery is a powerful tool that can help you make data-driven decisions for your business, and we encourage you to explore its many features and capabilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more information on working with Google Cloud Platform.